guys, what's up? I'm Jay. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning into another video, and if you're new here, welcome. Let's get into this wig install. This is what she's looking like. I have this L'Oreal True Match powder. It's cool. When I got it, I didn't know I was what is it, warm undertone, but this is cool. So this is all I got, so this is what we're working with. I also have some airbrush legs. I have it in the color Deep Glow. I figured I should just get the darkest one. A lot of firsts for me, but I'm gonna see if this works. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if that looks like me. The lace is tinted. It's looking like that. I don't know if you can tell the difference. Oh, I forgot to cut the lace in the back. But we're not gonna worry about that right now because it's already on my head and I don't want to put it on again. Now I'm gonna cut these tabs off. Now we go put the glue on. I really hope the video isn't too dark. Like, my lighting in my apartment is terrible, so I always film with the window open, with the blinds open, and it gets dark so soon now. So daylight savings, but I really want to get this done today. I did get some shedding after I shampooed it and all that good stuff. I did get a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't much really. Alright, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So all I did was take off the scarf that I had on my head. I didn't even keep it on there for 5 minutes, y'all. Like, I'm trying to get this done. I'm just anxious to see it, and I don't want it to get too dark. So all I did was take that off my head, and I cleaned up the little bit of glue that was right here and right here with some alcohol, and now I'm about to cut the lace. Alright, so some of the parts of the lace came up. I'm gonna just put a little bit of glue. Now I'm gonna do the baby hairs. Alright, so baby hairs are setting. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling the wig. So first I'm going to flat iron my middle part because that's what I see other people doing. You know, first I'm gonna put some heat protectant on it though. I would have never guessed that you had to flat iron curly hair, but that's what people be doing, so. Alright, now I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse in it. Yeah, it says working through damp hair. I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit more because this mousse made my edges feel crunchy. Not my edges. It made my baby hairs feel crunchy. And the hair isn't tangled because I detangled it. But just going through, I'm getting a little bit of shed hairs. But keep in mind, I also cut my baby hairs, and this is not from baby hairs. Like, I cut way too much off right now, but now that it's a little bit damp, oh my gosh, this is my first time wearing curly hair, and I must say I love it. Ooh, I just burned my forehead. Now I am gonna use the flyway tamer because I already put the mousse in it and I don't wanna mess up these things that I did, so. I'm super excited to go ahead and take off this thing and see what we're working with. Okay, so this is what we're working with, and y'all, I'm feeling it. Okay, I really like it. I'm gonna put some makeup on the part and up here a little bit because I can see from some angles it just don't look good. So I'm gonna put some of this on there, see if that helps it. So let me go find my makeup brush. Oh my gosh, you guys, I freaking love it. Like, wow, why haven't I been got curly hair? Is it looking any different? Because I can't tell. I can't tell, but wow. Okay, so while I was installing the wig, I didn't have too many issues. It wasn't a lot of shedding. The hair detangled fine when I put some conditioner in it. It wasn't all tangled up. I just let it air dry before I put it on my head and everything. And yeah, the wig feels good. I don't have a headache. It doesn't feel too tight, and I did secure the little straps in the back around it. I think the hair has a nice curl pattern to it, and I think when it dries it's gonna look even cuter. Like, oh my gosh, I'm a beginner and I don't think the install was too crazy, and yeah, I think it's cute. So flat iron, I think the hair flat ironed nicely. I didn't have any problem when it flat ironed. Like I said, the hair does have a lot of flyaways, and there's like a lot of short pieces in the top. Like some of them are popping up. So that's something that you might want to consider. But yeah, I love it. 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 The knots bleached well. I did have to bleach the knots 2 times. The first time I did it for 20 minutes. The second time I did for 10 minutes. In my other video, I talked about how it kind of smelled like flat ironed hair, but after washing it, it didn't smell like that. After I washed and conditioned it, it didn't smell like that anymore. And right now, all I smell is the mousse. I think I did a good job. Like, this was my first time bleaching the knots, plucking the hairline. I must say, the hairline doesn't look like I really plucked it. But that's okay. I think it still looks pretty good. It doesn't look too thick. And if I wanted to, I could go in and pluck some more. But honestly, I think it looks fine. I really like it. Let me know in the comments below how the color of the part and the lace looks, because I really don't know if I need a different color. So please let me know in the comments if I should get something darker or lighter to use my lace with, and also with this too. Let me know, because I don't want to be walking around here looking crazy and I think I'm looking bomb. I did another video on the wig specs and my first impression, so if you want to know any of that, go check out that video. I'll have it linked down below. But yeah, guys, I really freaking like this wig. I think it looks really good on me. I'm shocked at how much I like it. I'm shocked at how good of a job I did bleaching the knots. At least I think I did a good job bleaching the knots, so I'm shocked about that too. This wig was only $72, I think, after tax, or maybe 71, something like that. So it's not an expensive wig. It's a great wig if you are a beginner in everything that is wigs and you just want to try things out without spending too much money. This is the one, you guys. But yeah, that's the end of the video, you guys. Tell me what you think about this wig. Do you love it? Like, do you love it? Does it look good? Do I look good with the wig? Okay, so that's the end of the video. If you like to give it a thumbs up. If you have something to say, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more from me, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.